Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and after a lot of time, but yeah, I'm definitely back. So in this video I'm going to show you the third part of the music producing series, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sync your audio with the video that we're going to create later in this video. So if you enjoy this video, hit that like button already. And yeah, so for this you're going to need KineMaster, and it is a paid application. I mean, it's not paid, but you're going to get a watermark somewhere on the video. So for not getting the watermark, you can click on this video up there and see this video. So you're going to get KineMaster for free. And also I showed you how to create your audio in the last video, so go check that video out first and then come back to this video to see how to sync your audio in your video. With all that being said, let's get started with the video. So the video that you have made for your music video, you can be standing in front of the mic and singing whatever you want, or you can just make a different type of video where you're moving and you're just lip syncing the lyrics, but we're going to come on that afterwards. But before, let's just show you how to combine the audio and the video together. So go into media, and then you have whatever images you have. Alright, so just go into wherever you want and get a video. So I'm going to get any video, for instance, right now. So this is just one of the ads that I got from some people. I don't know what this is, but I just don't have any music video right now, so I'm just gonna show you in this. Now once you've got your music video on, just click on to audio, and then you have different types of audios and you know where it is saved. Just go into recorded or songs, or wherever you have saved, just find the audio, and then there you go. Just click on that audio, hit on the plus button. Alright, just get on the plus button, and there you go, you have your audio set. And if you have a lot of background noise in your audio still, then you can use this background on button to remove the most of the background noise. So this is gonna really work out for you, and this is all. Now let's move on to the part where I show you how to just make your music video, what to do, how to lip sync and all that stuff. And yeah, once you're done with all this editing and stuff, just click on this button and select high. I like to do it high because I'm going to post on, because you're going to post on YouTube, so keep the things high and like just go on with it. This is good. So that's going to be it for this for like KineMaster. And now let's just go ahead and get on to the music video part. So here is how to create your own video. So first of all, you're definitely gonna need a pair of headphones for this, or you can take in earphones. So whatever you want, you could get that. But yeah, so once you have the audio saved in some of your mobile phone or somewhere else, but so you can just plug your headphones in that mobile phone, and once you've plugged that in, just put them on and just then put a mic in front of you, whichever mic you're singing to, or maybe you could just sing like this. So just put them on and you're listening to the audio while it's playing in your headphones, and you can just accordingly lip sync. So like I'm just lip syncing a song, I'm listening to this and I'm doing like whatever, and that's gonna sound like you're singing it right there. This could be one way, but the other way could be you're going in natural surroundings, or you're just shooting a video which has a story in it, and which is but in that you can't use your headphones, so you just gotta lip sync according to your mind. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys, and I showed you the best ways to do this. So guys, check this out, check the videos out, and check all the 3 videos out of the music producing series, and then just shoot your own videos now. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Bye bye, thanks for watching, and subscribe right now, okay? Do it for more techie content and stuff. So that's gonna be it for this video. Bye bye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.